I'm about to do a firework video, and it's gonna be crazy because we are gonna be it's like 12 unique effects, and everything is like random. You got it? Okay. You gonna light it? You gonna light? Okay. You don't wanna light it? Okay. I'm gonna be crazy. But I got this gear. Gotta get ready. Look up! Yeah, we're about to do the other one. No. Can you pause it? He has to close it, but okay. Okay, y'all already know. Okay. You paused it? Okay. So, drop it. You know.
Mm.
The other one. Okay. Are you ready for this one? Just like the no, I got this one. No, this one. Or even pausing it anyways. So, this one about to be crazy.
You got one in there.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay. About to be crazy. Okay. What about this one next? It's like the angle.
Put it under it.
Kotah video. Like, that was crazy. Okay, now I can do the other one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What happened if something go wrong? Okay, I want to do it two at a time because it don't work. It don't work. You just don't want to. So y'all, yeah, okay. That was pretty cool. We're about to do two again. Okay, you do the little twirly thing. And I put both in. Okay. You know how to do it? I know how to do it. Okay. Well, I think I know how to do it. Yeah, you do it. Okay, I think I know how to do it. Okay. Just twist it.
You ain't gotta pull it up and see if it's just twist.
Okay, that's it. He's doing the little, he's doing the little like 20, he's doing a little trolley thing. I want you to light it up so we can see it, so I want to see it. Okay, you light it up. Yeah, pick the camera up.
You can't be the cameraman, bro. You pointed at the ground phone.
Why you just didn't pop? Oh.
We're back. I'm done two. We're not doing two. We're doing one. We're doing one. Number two.
We're back.
Okay, where's the lighter? Where's the lighter? Okay, thank you for giving me that.
What I tell you, girl? Light it from the bottom, cuz.
I did.
No, put the lighter up under it.
Like this.
You so
I'm
scared.
not ready. I'm not ready to get burnt.
Put it up under it.
How about you do it? So you do it. Okay. Okay. You ready? That hurt.
And we're back, guys.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna light it. Like, no one likes getting burned. Like, no one likes getting burned. Gotta get ready. No one's prepared for this. Like, no one's prepared for that. Okay, this is gonna be the last one. This is the last one.
This is the last win. Thank God.
Thank God,
And we're back with Kotah J.
bro. Okay.
You got Yanni.
Good night.
Hey.
Say hey. Oh. Okay, no, everybody gotta be prepared for that.
Be prepared for it.
I'm prepared.